Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a new series called Forgot to Play by me, Wouter van der Wels. I have a corresponding article series running on my website, vanderwels.com, and I thought, well, why not merge the two? Why not create them together? I think it would be great. And that's what I'm doing. I have a great article of Sid Meiers Railroad on my website. I suggest you read that if you like this video or you like this game. And now we are also gonna make a video. So let's get to it, right? So Sid Meier's Railroad came out in 2007 and I didn't have such a good computer back then to play this game, but now I do and I love it. I really love train building games. I never played one before. Sid Meier's would be my first and it's great. So we're gonna check out which map we're gonna do. I've played a while. I want to go in Europe. Germany? Yeah, you have all kinds of objectives. I don't feel like that now. Yeah, this is cool. It's just like a skirmish is this. Just be the last railroad standing, buy out all your competitors. Eventually. We'll get there though. Mesa Madness. A lot of different altitudes here. Like heights, levels and stuff. Don't want that. Southeastern Europe. I've played that before. Don't really feel it like that now. Rivers Run. Hill Valley Rush. Looks easy enough. Okay, we can choose our level here and we're gonna pick financier because we're not investors, we're financiers, obviously. And this will be the start here and routing level will be easy. I just like trains. I like building trains and see them ride around and stuff. I don't want to be bothered with routing and stuff, routing. People do love it though, and you can put it on hard to make it extra hard for you. Like this, trains will stop if there are any other trains blocking the way to their destination, and you have to, yeah, you have to work it out. You have to work out the signs yourself. It's hard. I don't like it. So our name is iMac. I couldn't change it the last time, so I'm gonna change it now. And we are fighting against Jay Gould and Jay Cook. And we're starting at Warren. Okay. We have one passenger. That means we can do. What's closest? Yeah, we're like in this great middle ground where we can easily pick up and go anywhere. See how the tree just got away? I didn't have to call a construction crew or anything. It just done did it. Now we build a depot. You know, you can't stop your train if you don't have a depot, obviously. And now we can build trains. But do we want to? I mean, Bicknell is also very close by. We could just go straight ahead. Only my money is going a little bit short. This is kind of a risky thing I'm doing here, but we're going for it. Selling my stocks early on to get some extra money. I think it will work out fine with this line though. It will grant money pretty fast. So what we're doing here is we're creating a train for our line. And we have different kinds of transportation or so, and I choose to be this train solely for passengers because passengers, they make pretty well. Yeah, you can make good money on them, and you can see here where we can go. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. We can wait until it's full, but yeah, I don't feel like that. It fills it up or it doesn't fill it up, because if there not too much people around, it won't fill it up and it will just stay how it is. Okay, we're going to this one and to this one. And if we check it out over here at Warren, we will see that we can't add any cars. We can though, but it won't make any difference. So we can see, yeah, like we can make 3 cards here, so it will be less of a burden. And we want to keep under or above the 30 miles per hour. Okay. Click. Here he goes. The Bicknell Express. Tell me, what does this tell more? Down, does want. Oh, they have a demand for beef. I can get that to them if I get some extra money. I wonder how the other guys are doing. Yeah. Yeah, he's also doing great. But see here, I have the advantage here because I have 3 towns and he just has 2. Poor guy. Poor guy. And our money is rolling in. Okay. So I tried some other games. I'm kind of a fan of trains and games of them. But I tried some other games. I tried Train Fever and I tried Railroad Tycoon 3. But none of those games really got the essence right of railroads, I think. This is what I like the most. For example, in Train Fever, you had to start off with building like buses, and those buses would be horses, because you were starting early on at the beginning of time, where trains were just getting new and stuff. So you had to build a station, but people need to get it to your station. So you had to build buses to get them to your station. And once you finished building a track, you had no more money. So you started loaning money, and you started loaning, and it never stops, and you're just building up more debt. And I was like, yeah, but I just want to make money, you know, and my train didn't even make money, so I just quit it. We're pressing this one. No. Yes, we are. We don't have a... I'll tell you the difference. There is a difference between passenger trains and freight trains. And we don't have freight trains yet, so we'll just do it like this. Okay. We're gonna continue our round shortly to Linton Cattle Farm. Ooh. Okay, where can we get that for you? He wants wood. Not really in the neighborhood, huh? Okay, doesn't matter. So Railroad Tycoon 3 was also a game I played. I liked it more. It's like the previous game from Sid Meiers Railroads. But it was too dated. The graphics weren't that pretty anymore. I bet they were like back in their day, but it just didn't do it for me like Railroads does. Okay, so this one wants... Oh, wait, here. We can get it over here. Okay. So, our tracks are laid right in front of us. We can build our tracks over here, get over the Linton Cattle Farm, straight over there to Linton, and then go to Unterholzner, yeah. And there we get the timber. This is an excellent plan. Trust me, you guys. I have one steady flow of income over here. Can be a little bit faster, but I'll live with it. What is this for town? Yeah, I'm not gonna get that for you, mate. You just gotta wait for some of my competitors to get you. See how smoothly we do that? Like, I love how it just molds around your track. You don't have to work it or anything. There are no differences in railroad tracks or bridges or tunnels. There's just one tunnel, one bridge. Just such simplicity. I like it. And you see the city changing your tracks around it. It's lovely. Bloop. Alright. Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna bit on that. And this train is gonna have a new... Well, he's gonna do that. Yeah. And then he's gonna go back here. But he's empty because in this... Wait, I don't want to get it to Linton. Oh, wait, I have to build an annex here. Nobody's auctioning. Why? Oh well. Oh, there he goes. 60,000, eh? Well, how about this then? Sorry about that. So Bignall, we're leaving empty Bignall, go back here, add some new stuff, and go back to Bignall, and start all over again. Wait, I did it right? I'm also indecisive about those things. Yes, it's good. And there was a new train. Oh, lovely. I didn't have to do that, but I did it still. Okay. Time to upgrade you. See what we can do here. Oh, yeah. So this train is gonna be a big money maker for me right now. Yeah, baby. And you have passengers. Well, I think no. This is just for freight only. I'm gonna make a second line to accommodate it with passengers, or well, no, that would be a lot of effort. Let's start with Unterholzner, because we're not there yet. Okay, a little bit out of money right now. I think it can carry more weight. Not that there's more weight to carry over there. Like this. This one is just straightly rolling by. I could expand in Cabello. Do you want oil? No. You see, like I didn't explain this. So you have demand, and so the Unterholzner demands wood. If I bring 10 wood to them, I get a bonus. Every other city demands other stuff, so you have to move things around. This doesn't really demand things that are in the neighborhood that I can garrison. So what I can do is build something to make it so. How much does it cost? $500,000. I don't have that much money, but when I'm getting rich, it will be, and I can make a whole lot of money. So that speech gave me a lot of money. I'm making money by giving speeches about railroads. So Unterholzner. Next step. Wait. Oh wait, that's all over there? Montgomery is even there first. Screw it, we're going for it. I wasted a lot of money to make this line, and I'm not sure if it's gonna be that fruitful, because it's just small towns. And here we have our competitor. Wow. Good job, competitor. So, where is our money? All right, there it is. Yeah, bring it in, bring it in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It sucks that I just have... Whoa, 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 what are we doing here? This is not cool, man. The Montgomery Timber Company will bring a shitload of stuff. to Unterholzner. He will then come back. I will give him more missions when he has done his duty. So we have Montgomery here. Those have a lot of passengers. Unterholzner also has a lot of passengers. Yeah, I'm starting to feel how I'm gonna do this. So this is my spot. This is the passenger line. We're gonna click it. Maybe a little bit more to here. Yeah, well, how am I supposed to do this? How do I want to do this? Making one straight line to... Yeah, but that jeopardizes everything. Yeah, I think this is the way to go. Just make an intersection here. Wait. Whoop. Yeah, that works out. Please don't make it that expensive. So my plan is to just drive 2 trains and make it possible to make it work on multiple tracks. So this train over here is gonna make some extra miles. It's going over here. But we have to turn it around because after he stopped at Cabello, he's going back to Bicknell. So we actually wanted to start at Cabello. That's too much. Yes. Yes. Warren doesn't need that much cars. Bicknell does. Huh? Sorry, there is something wrong here. I can't go to Unterholzner now. And we are back, ladies and gentlemen. I found out what was wrong. Well, I actually didn't find out. I found a workaround. What I did was I wanted to give my trains another direction. Didn't work out that way. Don't know why, because my tracks clearly just walk through those stations. So I just made a little workaround. You know, this game is perfect, but we deal with it. It's still lovely. Okay, what's the next step? So we have one big passenger line here, that over there, and we work our way up over here. So what are you doing right now? Let's change that. Bring some wood over here. Go back. Stack up. And go over there. And remove everything. Okay, so what we have now is paper. Let's see, we want some paper. Paper here, Anyone want some paper? Ooh, Warren wants paper. I think we can get something to get over there. Like this. Then we'll just make a bridge. Create too steep. Yeah. And we'll connect it here in Linton. So if I'm correct, this train can now... No, it can't. But it will soon. Now it can. You have a new meaning in your life. So, Unterholzner. Stack up on that paper. Not the money kind of paper, just ordinary paper. Let's see how he rides. So we see this little train over here, and we can see if it follows the correct path. Good, good. Yeah, that's how I want it. So, multiplayer in this game was, as far as I know, new, impossible. But I found out about Game Ranger. That's a little app that can be used to play games that don't have any working servers anymore. And Railroads is supported. Now I only have to find some people to play it with. Because I think it's a lot of fun to play against human AI. Because look at my money, mate. I'm already winning. My camera is a little twitchy, like this. Great. So this town wants some wood, and we can get it to them. Yes, we can. We'll make this. Yeah. So when you play this game early on, you'll probably make a lot of extra lines for everything, and that works great at first, but you also have to consider that you can only make a maximum of four lines per station, per fully upgraded station. So when you're out of those lines, you don't have any possibilities anymore when you really need them. So making crossings is a great way to like circumvent that kind of stuff. Ooh, half maintenance cost on all trains. Want, give, thank you. Ooh. This might cause for a problem, and I don't believe I asked for this. This was the little workaround train that we had trouble with previously, and it was way too hot. That's why I stopped the recording, and now I'm continuing. So the weather is way better right now. Oh wait, yeah, thank you. You're not stealing my little patent from me. So this is my train for paper, and we're also gonna give it something new to live for. So he stops at Warren. That's over there. Then he goes back to this. Oh wait, but at Warren, you're destacking yourself. Driving back to Montgomery. Get some of this. And try to get it over there. That's not so difficult, is it? Is it? Oh wait, he's first gonna show us. I'll believe it. I'll go for it. And I got the patent. Half maintenance cost. Yay. So this city is expanding. It demands automobiles. So maybe... Ooh. If I have enough money, I can build a auto factory here and just keep on stacking money. Automobiles are the greatest way to make money. But let's look a little bit further, see what we can do on this map. So we have one end here. Hey. We can give you some... Wait, I'm almost forgetting the cool feature in this game. We can see where they can get iron from. So it's really far away. It's daily. And I don't have any trains there. But we... Ooh. But in order to make that possible, in order to give Interholzner an automobile factory, it needs steel. And then we have to find out where a town that can process steel, or if we have a town that can process it already. So we have this. That's relatively close. Let's start by creating steel. Create this to a station. City's still too small, but that will change shortly. Yes. I built a steel mill. Now where can we get some steel? Over here. Wow. This guy has been busy. So this is worth an upgrade. So we upgrade the stations. You see, it gets a lot more beautiful to make extra lines. Like this. To expand our situation. This will cost a lot of money. This one is still empty. Well, the thing is, I can't build a steel factory there. Yeah, well, let's go for it. And we'll make a little, like, sideline, because that will probably be a little less expensive. I made a little mistake here. We can easily delete those. You can do that with backspace, that's great. So this is really ugly. The game doesn't know what to do with my tracks after I build an annex. Oh, a 10-wheeler, huh? Should change that soon. So go over there. And that's all you do for now. So you can see our trains here. This is a very old train, so we're gonna upgrade it. And upgrading also means more carriage. So we can add a little bit of this. Add more there. Looking good. And what's this? This is already a mobile. Okay, soon Big Mill is gonna create some great stuff for me. And we have to bring that here to create a no, we're gonna build it here. Ah, I did something stupid. Or did I? Ooh, cool. A new freight train. All the trains are historically accurate, by the way. They really exist in this time of year, March 1880. I think we can give this one the mission of transferring freight steel to Linton. And for that, you'll get an upgrade. Didn't really do that well. Can add way more freight right now. Oh, great, I can fill it up completely. And so I'm not gonna load it up completely because I don't gather enough ores from there. So I'd rather have it to be faster than that it goes, then it picks up more, because it will eventually be empty and I have to find for another source. I would like a source of my own, but that would be all the way to the west. Yeah, over here. Let's focus on that for another time. Maybe I'll make a second factory. For now, this is for, I believe this is my passenger line. And I don't want to give it something extra. I already upgraded here, so it's just a simple extra line. Build it to Wheatland. That's a beautiful cross. Yes. Annex. And now, oh wait, this one doesn't have one yet. Wheatland, great. Consolidation, that's awesome. So we can fill this one completely up because it's a very short distance. It will be there any moment and it will create lots and lots of steel. So I've been rethinking this. And I think it would be a great idea if that train that we just created also went by Linton. We only have to find out how. I can, yeah, I will do that. I'll sacrifice the passenger line for it. All right. This can go faster. Oh. Disappointment. It seems. Oh wait, that's why. No. Huh? Weirdness around. So you see that the thing with crossings is still a little bit wonky. It won't always do what you want. Is there something I can do with this? No. Like I have to change the crossing myself, but that should be something for the higher difficulties. Screw it. You wanna make me spend some money? I'll spend some money. Just go over there and make my way to Linton. This is really where the fun begins, because now I have so much money that I can make outrageous train tracks that aren't logical at all, just to make my line work. Where are you? Remove everything. Oh, I can also just press clear. Let's keep it like that. Drive all the way over there. Cool. Someone is trying to steal some of my supplies. Let's buy the steel mill. So, we're progressing in the game now. The CPU wants to get some of my steel. Just take it. But I don't accept that. He has to give me some money if he wants to get some steel. And those are also ways to get some extra money in. So this is going to be a pretty big auction. Jay Gould wants it pretty bad. Or is it Jay Cook? It was green. Well, anyway, I got it. Ooh. Well, you can have this one, Jay. So it's time to start moving those cars. Snyder, create cars. But we want a city that's in demand of cars. Huh? Wait a minute. No. Bicknell demands cars. And we have this line. Let's do it like this. That Jake Cook guy is starting to annoy me. I'm buying some of his stock so we can finally buy him out. I'm making loads of money, so I'm okay. Yeah. Something extra and faster. Manufactured goods for Warren. Let's check that out. So Warren is a little bit bigger now. They want more stuff. They're already getting paper. I can give them some food. Yeah, just make a double track. That's easier. Bloop. It's more expensive, but money isn't an issue. We have to upgrade it though. Oh, this was my starting town. I totally forgot. What did I do? I did something wrong. Try again. Yeah, that's the spirit. Okay, where are you? You're gonna do something extra for me. Buying another stock. So I'm already making a profit with my steel mill. And I believe the one in Bicknell is also making a profit. Yay, thank you. Oh, yes it is. But we also have another train company here driving through, and now it's getting really messy. We have some really great land here to take over. And I want to keep focusing on this. Fox Ridge. Yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna make one big line. And that's beautiful. Just imagine sitting in a train and driving alongside the Cabello Lumber Company and the little town of Snyder that only demands steel so they can make cars. And also the Snyder grain farms with their beautiful grain growing, waiting to be eaten. And don't forget the Fox Ridge Colliery, the mining company that has been around for 60 years. Okay. Enough tourist talk. Oh, huge oil discovery. That's only for more benefits. Over here. Yeah, that's going great. So before we sign off, I want to show you something. It's something really cool to just show what you have built. Let's see, my really big line is over here. It's my train is over here. Yeah, let's lock the camera to it. Yeah, that's great. This 10-wheeler has been 15 years old. It makes a lot of profit, and its maintenance is about, yeah, just a fraction of it. So it's doing very great. All aboard. The city of Warren has been very busy these days. Since the extra paper route has been coming through, people are reading more papers. They've been more engaged with the rest of the world. Like, what is this town again? Like Cabello. Yeah. So now, we can buy over J. Cook if we have $11 million. And trust me, we're gonna make that. Okay. Okay, the cool thing I'm gonna show you is this. I pause the game. I press Ctrl F. And now we can move freeforming through the world. This is a really cool feature, and it's actually pretty sad that we can only do it on pause mode, because the reason is that otherwise the game engine would render too much and it wouldn't stand it. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit more, and I want to get that little tiny. No, wait. This is better. Then zoom in here a little bit. It's not really zooming, you're just moving the camera around. There's no actual camera things. A little lower. Yeah, how great does that look? So let's make a screenshot of it. Did it do it? Oh well. Just a beautiful little scene we have here. It's great to show off your work when you create beautiful railroads. So this is Sid Meiers Railroads. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, you could check out the article about Sid Meiers Railroads on vanderwells.com, where there are also a lot of other articles and videos and whatnot. Also the podcast if you're bilingual. You may notice I like trains. I like them a lot. I like Sid Meiers Railroads a lot. Go play it if you're looking for a easy-going train building experience when Train Fever and the other train games were a little bit too difficult for you. Alright, have a very nice day. Bye.